Hello and welcome back. This is my third and final video for how to make a helicopter that transforms. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Lego person actually transform. So before we get started, I realized that I forgot one major piece for this. The helicopter blade. I did not tell you where to put it. So before I tell you where to put it, you have to take a 2x2 piece that's thick and stick it to the bottom of your helicopter blade. Once you have that, just take your helicopter blade and pinch it in the middle, and just put it down, just like that. Now, because we made it longer and this can bend, you can make it look however you want. I just like making mine look like this. You can do whatever. You can make it go up, you can make it go down. Doesn't matter. Now, take your Lego guy that we made last time and just in the middle of the two Lego pieces that are hopefully the same color, just place it in the middle like that. There you go. That's your helicopter blade. Now, to make it transform, here I'm going to have to adjust the screen for this, is the part that you've all been waiting for. So, the first thing we're going to do is take the arms and make them face straight. Well, actually, yeah, just like, you can make them face farther backwards, but yeah, just like, if you want to do it this way, just make them face straight. And these are going to be bent, and just straighten them out. With that, sorry, alright. With that, just make the wings face forward. Like that. There you go. Those are the wings. Now, to get to the rest, now, next we're going to do the tail that sells it all. But in order to get a good enough grip, this is what I do. I bring the head down, pinch it on the front, and right there on the wings, and you can just, and if you could just like bend them out of the way, that would be perfect. Now, here's the tail. What you need to do is bring it that way, halfway, and then turn your piece like so. Once you've done that, bend it forward fully, and that is one half of your tail. Just do that to your other side, and if it breaks, don't worry about it, just place it back together. Bend that one forward. Next, we have the propeller. Just straighten it out, and a good measuring thing for you to use, in my opinion, is try and line it up with the edges of your top 2x2 piece. And there you go. If you have some, you can mess around with it if you want. There's always room for improvement. Straighten the head out, and there you go. You now have a transforming helicopter with spinning helicopter blade. There we go. So call your friends, show them what you made, Huzzah! And me out.